Hi guys, welcome to my channel Zenith Institute where learning matters. So guys, recently I got lots of queries about German examination for Goethe certificate. So I want to address all the questions. I got mainly three questions, three queries. So I want to address them one by one. So first, Hari asked me that hey, I heard Goethe exam is now conducted online. Is it true? So I want to address first this question. So Hari, no, I don't think so. They are conducting online examination right now because especially I'm talking about the Mumbai branch, but I'm sure that all the branches are having the same schedule. So basically I can see this their website. I opened their website on my mobile, okay, and it says that examination latest update corona situation. In that they are mentioning that on 30th April 30th April they have scheduled some examination, so they cancelled all the examination. And if you have registered for the same, then you can collect your refund and everything. You have to drop a mail to them and you can collect your refund from there. And they are telling they will update you as the Maharashtra government will take that decision. So I'm sure that if it is happening in Mumbai branch, then other branches will also follow the same thing. So I don't think so they conduct the online examination. They always conduct all I teach French and German, so both the language institute always conduct examination offline only. And if they're online, the registration process is online but not the examination. So I hope you got your answer. Now the second question, Zestin Joseph asked me, is there any seats available for B1 examination? So first thing I want to tell you that this video I made, that is for only for Mumbai branch, and if there is a seat available or not, that you have to apply for the examination. If seats are available, the center will update you. Whatever nearest center to you to your area, you can go on that, and then you can apply for that. If seats are available, they will let you know. I am not the correct person to ask you this, to ask this question. Now after that, the last question I got from Shashi Rajpal. He is asking, hi, I'm a new subscriber to your channel, so thank you so much trusting me. Could you please tell me whether Studio Day or Network is good for preparing DELF A1 level for Goethe exam point of view? See, if you ask my opinion, and right now they are following Network book. Goethe Institute is following Network book, so I guess it is better to follow Network book. And with that book, if you are purchasing the set of the book, Network set of book, then that time you will get a Arbeits book as well, where you can solve lots of grammatical exercises and all. And your last question is also, do you conduct A1 level Zoom classes? Is it free or paid? How much is the fee? So yes, I do conduct A1 level course classes, and there are two types of classes which I provide. One is crash course. If you want to complete the course in 1.5 months, so in crash course I teach 5 days in a week, and we can complete the course in a hurry, in a rush, and all the grammars and everything I'll solve it out, don't worry. And the second is general, where I take classes twice in a week, and classes will be for 3.5 months or 4 months it takes to complete. And after that I prepare for examination also. So once you complete your course, after that whatever the nearest date of examination are available, you can register for the same. And if you got the registration that day, after that time I conduct 4 or 5 classes for exam this mock test. I conduct mock test also, so that you can give your examination confidently. Now about the fee, yes, it's not free, it is paid, of course, and the fee I cannot disclose to you here. If you want to know the fee, you can DM me on my Instagram profile. And yes guys, I want to request you all to please follow me on Instagram, because there also I shared some updates about my classes, about my some words I share, and whatever the new videos I post on YouTube, that also I share on my Instagram profile. So I would request you to please follow me on Instagram. And if you have any question regarding my classes, regarding if you want to join my classes, yes, I take classes on Zoom. So I share my screen and I take my classes. All the course details, grammar thing, everything is already prepared with me. I share my uh, course material with my students. So I would suggest you ki please follow me on Instagram and get the updates. And if you want to contact me, of course you can DM me anytime. I'll definitely revert to you. So I hope guys you got your answers. If you got your answers, do share, just let me know if you got the answer. Just write on comment box. And if you have any other question regarding your DELF examination, French examination, German examination, I'll try to help you out. If you didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe to it, and just share the information with your friends and learning partners. And please like my videos, because if you like my videos, I'll get I'll get motivation to make more videos for you guys. So thank you so much.